Hi guys, Ethan Fricke here, founder of Oversight Consulting. Today I want to talk to you about safe work method statements and the requirement for them under law. Recently, a client of mine was fined $3,600 for failing to comply with his work method statement. The fine was issued to the client because they didn't understand every line within that work method statement. The guys on site didn't have the plans when the inspector arrived on site that day. The inspector asked to see the plans and they couldn't provide them. What you need to understand about safe work method statements is that they are required under the Act for all high-risk construction work. So whether that's electrical, scaffolding, confined space, working at heights, you need a safe work method statement, otherwise an inspector will issue a fine. Look, it's not the fine itself that's the problem, although we understand that money is important. It's now that that is on my client's record. That infringement can be used against him in a court of law moving forward to prove a history of negligence. So my question to you, if you're a business owner, can you say that you've done everything reasonably practicable to ensure your staff are safe? If you need any help with this sort of stuff, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than happy to help.